Okay, guys, now let's continue our game making. Now, since we created this zombie, I'm just going to change a few things here. Please don't misunderstand what's happening because I'm going to change this idle animation and the running animation to a person who is holding a gun. Okay, actually, it's not that. It's going to be the same character. We will just change. We will give her some different animations. Okay, so please don't misunderstand. And also, get used to this kind of things because during a project management, many things can happen. If you are working as a game developer, suddenly things can change, and you might want to change things. These changes, you don't worry about them. I mean, mostly it will take like 10 to 15 minutes to change things, or it depends on the project, but mostly 1 hour or something. But it's all for the better, okay? Think like that. So don't be lazy sometimes and don't misunderstand what's happening now. So I'm just changing the my player animations right now. All right, so I have this idol. You remember she had like in this karate stance. So I'm going to change this idle main. I downloaded some rifle animations here. So I'm going to change this to rifle idle, okay? So if I check it out, if I press play, all right, let's see what's gonna happen. Now she is like holding a rifle because we want to shoot the zombie, all right? That's the main thing. I don't want this to be like a fighting game against zombie because I don't think it is fun. I mean, it's always much nicer and much fun to shoot zombies rather than kicking or punching them. All right, we need to shoot them in the heads, guys. All right. So now we have the idle position. Now we need a rifle in her hand, right? So how will we do that? So I have this rifle thing here. This one, this is free and you can find in the Unity Asset Store. And I actually downloaded here. All right, so this is the one you will need. This is called rifle. But if you find some other ones, you can, try them, apply them to yourself. You don't need to like always use the same rifle here. Okay. And so this is the folder you will have rifle. You will go into it. You will go under the prefabs. Okay. And you will just bring it right up here. All right. So take it up. And this is like too big. All right. So we want to make it like 0.4 maybe. Okay. And okay, 0.5. Okay. And I want to, where is this? Okay, this one first. This is like -90. Okay. And this one, yeah, this way. Okay, I want this -90. All right. So in Z and Y position, you will do that. Okay, so let me change this to here. Okay, let let it put it this way. So she is actually, sorry guys, not this one. This is the one she should be holding. All right. So just make it so that it's right in her hand, roughly. All right. Okay. So if I press play, this will stay here. The reason for that is we need to make it a child of the hand. Okay. So the hand itself should be the parent of the gun. All right. Okay, so here we go. We need to go to our player. We need to go to our Chinese girl. Okay, you see this is all up, open up. So you need to like open these up all the way. You need to go to the spine. So because up the spine is the whole body, upper body. So you will go under the spine, and because this is her right hand, right arm, I'm sorry, you need to put it under the right hand, okay? So you will come here and take this and drag it all the way down here. So when we click play, it should almost be in place, but I think it's gonna be like not so cool. I can see that. So what we will have is we cannot change its position here, but what we need to do is now I can roughly sense what's going on. So I'm going to roughly change this, like this here, and bring it like that, okay? And down here. So this is like what we will need to do. So I will like this, all right, and bring it up. and let's see what's gonna happen. I'm gonna do this really roughly, guys. Okay. So if you want, when you have time, so this is much better, and I need to rotate it downwards also. Okay. So I need to rotate it downwards. So I will do like this. Okay. Sorry. I will do almost something like this, guys. All right. So this should be almost there. Let's check it out. Of course, when you have this, yeah, this is, yeah, we need to turn it more right. Okay, one more. I will go a little bit more on that. When you make your own animations, you won't have this kind of problem, so don't worry, because I'm using like a ready-made animation. That's why these are happening. Okay, normally you shouldn't leave this kind of situation, all right? So let's see. Yeah, this is nice. This is acceptable. You know, this is okay. I mean, you won't see her. Yeah. Also, this is nice. Like when she's running, she's holding on her one hand, which is cool. You know. No, I like this actually. I was gonna say maybe hold her. No, this is not. I don't like it. Okay. So this is one. All right. So I want also when she's running, I want her to hold the gun. How can I say? Like targeting around because she's looking for zombies. Okay. So what we will do is we will go to our 3D models and I'm going to go on the rifle. This is where I got my animations and I will try this rifle run. Okay. So this is rig is humanoid. That's okay. And this needs to be in loop time. I need to say apply. So let's see what will happen. Okay, so I will take this out, Command and D, all right? The reason I take this out, guys, is because like you can trigger some things in here in this animation, like the sounds, like when she shoots or steps. But when you turn off, when you close the Unity and come back, and if you use it, the ones here, like make the changes, the one under the folder, this the changes you make here will be gone. Okay, so always make a copy. So we have the rifle run. Let's see. Yeah, the rifle is in her hand. So let's see if this is gonna work. So all we will do is because we had these running animations, we will throw these in the rifle run. Okay. Let's see. Rifle run. Oops, sorry. Rifle run. This is rifle run. And this is rifle run. Alright, this is cool. And let's see what will happen. Okay, let's click it. Click the play button. Yeah, this is cool. So she is like targeting. Alright. I think this is like looking really cool. And when she was jumping, she has the rifle in her hand. Okay. So let's see what happens if I use a rifle jump. Okay. And if I don't like it, I won't use it. Okay. You don't have to like go like robot and do everything that I show you. Let's go to rifle jump. Let's make this one. Let's see what's gonna happen. All right, come on. Yeah, she is like, she has the gun in her hand. Okay, that's cool. What happens if we make this like 0.6? Yeah. Yeah, she looks much in action. Yeah, this is much cooler. So she can like shoot, you know, when she's jumping. This is cool. This is really nice, guys. Okay, I love this. I love this. Okay, so okay, this will, yeah, this stayed at 0.6. Okay, this is cool. So this is where we will go from here. All right. So we started to make a shooting game looking upwards. All right. I made this free aspect, but I can turn this to 16 by 9 again. I did that so we can like fill our screen. But what this is how your game will look on your mobile basically. All right. Okay, so game is getting better now. Hope you like this lesson, the one I just showed you, and see you in the next one. Bye.